just this is just a sample of daily local street noise or sound vibration, if you want to be. Sound won't be picked up as clearly by the mobile, unfortunately, because it's outside, and I don't want to go, I can't go onto a construction site. Man just come right next to my door, one of the technical workmen. But I didn't film that, but it doesn't matter. This is just a sample, but I don't think it's going to be picked up by the mobile. It will get louder too, and this goes all day. Yesterday it was a different noise across the other side of the road. Now they're back with the construction site, which is next door to next door, more or less. You know, in other words, there's two places like mine. And no doubt the next door residents, being part of the matrix, would have technical means to make sure that the sound comes through to my place. I wonder if all this construction noise is necessary. In other words, even if there's constructions which appear to be legitimate, they're always legitimate. In other words, they do actually do physical work and create things, supposedly, like buildings or renovations. You wonder if the actual machinery, you know, like I could go out there and show you the things, but I don't want to because I'm intimidated. But you wonder if they actually need to make the particular sound vibrations or noise or sound that they're actually making. I don't think so. I have thought this for quite a number of years. Car pulling in, just opened the door there to show you that the car has pulled in opposite as soon as I come out. As usual, always a car will be pulling in, but at the moment, because the sound is intense, they may be not bothering so much. Anyway, that's it.